Ever wondered what's really happening inside a block on the blockchain? What information is stored there? And who is sending coins to whom? Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most important tools in the crypto world, the Block Explorer. A Block Explorer lets you see what is happening on a blockchain in real time, and it gives you full transparency into blocks, transactions, wallets, and tokens. So, what exactly does a Block Explorer do? A Block Explorer is similar to Google, but for a blockchain. Google doesn't search the entire internet every time you type something. It has already collected and organized information, so it can show results quickly. A Block Explorer works the same way. It downloads and organizes all the data from a blockchain, so you can instantly look up blocks, transactions, wallet addresses, or smart contracts. In short, it turns the raw blockchain data into information you can understand. To understand how it works, let's quickly look at what a blockchain is made of. A blockchain consists of a long chain of blocks. Each block contains information that has been recorded at a certain moment in time. Depending on the blockchain, the block can contain different types of data. But on public crypto blockchains like Ethereum, the most common and important data stored inside a block are transactions. Let's take Ethereum as an example. An Ethereum block has two main parts. The block header, which contains general details about the block, such as the block number, the timestamp, and the hash of the previous block. And the block body, where the transactions are stored. We won't go into every technical detail of the header here. Instead, we'll focus on the transaction data, since that is what people usually look at when using a Block Explorer. Inside the block body, you can see the sender's wallet address, the receiver's wallet address, the value being transferred, optional data used for smart contracts, and the gas used along with the gas price, which together define the transaction fee. All of this information is written into the block and becomes part of the blockchain forever. So how does a Block Explorer make this information easy to understand? A Block Explorer operates by running a full blockchain node. This means it downloads and verifies all the blocks in the blockchain. Once the data is downloaded, the Explorer stores it in its own database. This allows it to quickly answer searches, because it doesn't need to scan the entire blockchain every time. It only needs to update itself with the newest blocks as they are added. It's important to understand that the blockchain itself only stores raw data. It doesn't provide human-friendly explanations or easy search functions. The Block Explorer takes this raw data, organizes it, and displays it in a clear, readable way. That's why you can type in a wallet address or a transaction hash and instantly see its full history. Some of the most popular Block Explorers are Etherscan for Ethereum, BSC Scan for Binance Smart Chain, SolScan for Solana, and Dogechain for Dogecoin. A Block Explorer is always specific to one blockchain. Etherscan shows everything that happens on Ethereum, including all Ethereum-based tokens like meme coins or wrap tokens. But it cannot show real Bitcoin or Solana transactions because they are on different blockchains. To summarize, a Block Explorer is your window into the blockchain. It makes all transactions, wallet activity, and block data transparent and easy to understand. If you want to truly see what is happening on-chain, a Block Explorer is one of the most important tools you can use. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.